Hey dreamers, it's Sandra, and this major snowstorm is blanketing most of the country. If you're a homeowner or planning to be one, snow days come with real responsibilities. Before, during, and after the storm. Before the storm, prep is everything. Secure outdoor items, salt walkways, check your heat, and make sure your pipes are protected. A little planning now saves a big headache later. During the storm, stay in, stay warm, and avoid unnecessary travel. Clear snow in stages if you can, because you don't want to wait until it's piled up and heavy. Did you know that shoveling snow can be bad for your heart? This is true if you are over 45. And shoveling snow can trigger heart attacks. Follow guidance from the American Heart Association on ways to stay safe. After the storm, time to protect your investment. Shovel sidewalks, not quite like that, but shovel sidewalks properly to avoid accidents, and clear vents and hydrants. Also check for ice dams and watch for leaks or cracks as things thaw. Snow days aren't just cozy or fun. They're a reminder that home ownership is about preparedness. Stay safe, stay ready, and remember, Sandra sells dreams, even in a snowstorm. Take care.